Glam Fam, we're going to be going in and showing you how to style some ponytails using pieces from Pretty Party and Soule. You guys already know how much I love Pretty Party and stand behind their whole brand because I have never had or never tried one of their products that I have been disappointed with ever, and that is a big thing for me to say for a company that I probably tried around like 12 pieces. That's pretty good track record. Also, they have so many options depending on what color hair you have, how long you want the hair, what kind of texture you would like it to be. So today, we're gonna be focusing on how to style 3 pieces from Pretty Party, the Poppy, the Gemma, and the Shayna, and they are all absolutely gorgeous and amazing on their own, but you can also do some pretty awesome styling with each piece. If you don't know who Pretty Party is, where have you been? Where? Because they're pretty awesome and they've come out with things that I've never seen any other brand come out with, ever. They're very innovative, they're very original, and they have so many products. I will be leaving the link to their information and their website down below in the description for you to go check them out. Let me know in the comments below what your favorite Pretty Party piece is. Hey guys, so first things first, let's put our hair in a very tight bun. I'm gonna be showing you how to style the Shayna by Soule, which is a category made by Pretty Party. This is what the Shayna looks like. It is an amazing concept and I love how they have designed this. So you get this super long, beautiful hair and it comes in this section and it has a little clip right here. And then this is Velcro. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna take this little clip, place it right underneath your hairband, and then pull both sides in. Now, when you have them both in, you're just going to take this section, which is the little piece that's off on its own, and just wrap. And now you're just gonna continue to wrap around the pony. Woo! That is beautiful. That is beautiful. All right, so before this is completely done, what I like to do, since I have my pink hair right now, what I like to do is just they have these locks that are absolutely gorgeous on the website as well, and this is in the color Flamingo. I like to just slip this underneath and pop it and then pull this up with the ponytail as well. And now when this covers, we can pin this in. Just like so. Since they are a little longer than the extension, we're gonna take this and we're gonna wrap it around the base just like we did the other one. And then what I like to do is I like to pin it right in the front. So this is a really cute look that you could just rock. It's super cute. Like, so cute. So cute. I want this one to sit up here. You clip in, you put the bobby pin in where you want the piece to sit and just push it in. And that's it. That's literally it. So now you have this piece that looks like it's coming out of the ponytail actually. So now you have the pink pieces in the ponytail to make it look like, you know, it matches your regular style. So this is the Shayna and it is absolutely gorgeous. Look how long it is, guys. So pretty. So gorgeous. So long. And this is how you can wear it. You can wear it just like this, or you can go in and make a beautiful updo and just twist this into a bun. like you would normally, and just pin it. Now you're just gonna tuck the ends with a bobby pin underneath the bun, and then kind of adjust it if it needs adjusting. And then this is kind of poofy, so all I'm gonna do is really pin this down in the back. Literally. Now, it's a cute little bun. Oh my gosh. Honestly, I think it is so cute and I think it's so awesome. There we go. This is the bun. They also have some hair accessories, which is so exciting. This one is my favorite in particular because it is so cute and totally at my aesthetic. This ball, like, did you guys ever wear these necklaces in high school? Because I did. I like 100% did. And so it comes on this clip, and how cool is that? Where you can just literally push it in, wrap this around, and now you have a whole entire different aesthetic to this bun, which is so cool. You're just gonna pin that last one in, just like, literally just like that, and it's that easy. Look at that. Look how cute. You also get another one, which is a smaller chain, which you can do the same thing with, just a little bit above it. And now you have literally a whole different vibe than what you did before. And it's things like this that is so cool with Pretty Party. It literally has only been 10 minutes and I have completely transformed this ponytail. It's so cute. Tell me it's not. Tell me it's not. Because you can't, because it's so cute. Oh my gosh. So this again is the Shayna, and this is just one way that you could style it with their accessories. If you just decide to wear the Shayna alone, this is what it looks like, which is so pretty. All right, so let me take this out and we can move on to the next piece. All right, I'm back. So this next piece is called the Gemma, and by the way, this is the packaging that your product will come in, which is very nice. This extension is the Gemma, which is a wavy curly version of the Shayna. Here we have the Gemma. By the way, guys, this can come in 22 inches or 26 inches. And you will see that this one just has a super cute full-bodied curl at the end, which is pretty cute. So again, the same thing you're gonna do is you're going to use this clip, slide it under the bottom, and just pinch. And so now I wear a bun underneath this. You can just wear your ponytail if it's really close to your natural hair. I just like what the bun just gives it more volume at the base. We're just going to wrap this around, just pin it in. Oof. Oh my goodness. It's so pretty. So this is the Gemma on its own, and honestly, guys, this took 5 minutes. Literally, it's 5 minutes. Put your hair in a ponytail, hairspray it all down, and then put this piece in, and it's amazingly beautiful. And this is, you can see the bottom is more volumized and with a little curl. If you have multiple colors in your hair, they do have multiple colors of like other extensions and little like accessory pieces. What I like to do with this one, since the ends don't really match the curl, I like to take this and put it around as the ponytail base. So just pin it in there, and now we're just going to swirl it around the pony and pin it in. And so now, here is the Gemma. Look at this, guys. You can't tell me that this is not cute. It is so gorgeous. I stand by this brand because I've tried a lot of products out by them and I have never, ever been disappointed. And this is the last and final piece that we're going to be styling today. This is the Poppy from Pretty Party. This is an amazing, luxurious, thick braid ponytail, which is, oh my gosh, I'm so excited for. Put this ponytail in. Tighten it. Make sure it's very secure. What you're gonna do is bring this up and now wrap your actual hair around the pony. Just like so. Pin it in. And now bring your pony back and just loop it around the bun. And then now you can wrap it around and your natural hair won't show through the bun and you'll get a little bit more volume. What you also can do is just wrap this around once and then pull it up through this front and flip it back, tighten it, and tuck your bun into the bun of the braid and then just secure it. And so now you have a cute little braid coming out of your bun. Oh, it's so cute. Very like spunky and edgy, which I love. You guys already know. You can also bring this into the braided bun, which is here. All you're gonna do is press it underneath the bun and wrap this around the base. Then you're just going to tuck the ends and pin them in. Just like that. All right. So that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to check out Pretty Party in the description below. And let me know what you guys think. And I'll see you guys in my next one. I love y'all. Bye! Mwah!